Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group two rectangle shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we go to the blank page, then go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu. Then we can see here many shapes. Now I am select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle shape. Then again draw another rectangle to this page. Now we can see these two rectangles is same color. You can change this color. Go back again the tool section, select the move tool. Then we select the fill option and change the color. Now we want to group these two shapes. Firstly select the first shape, then press shift on our keyboard and select the second shape. You can select multiple shapes to using this process. Then click right button to our mouse and select the group option. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl G on our keyboard. Then move at once, otherwise you can resize or change the fill or outline color at once to this grouped shape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.